In this video, I will show you how to add keywords to a list in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. Next, go to the left side of your screen and hover over the SEO dashboard. From here, click on Keyword Magic tool. You will then be redirected to the Keyword Magic toolboard. At the top, there's a search bar where you can type in the keyword you want to research. For example, click on Movies. After that, you will see a detailed list of related keywords displayed on your screen. If you want to load more keyword options, simply click on the Keyword tab at the top of the list, and it will automatically refresh with new sets of results. However, to fully access all advanced features of this tool, such as exporting or saving lists, you will need to upgrade your subscription plan. And that's how to add keywords to a list in Semrush.